Well, Lucca isn't the Lucca most tourists know for the next 5 days. Well, we've come in from comics and everybody's eating a slice of pizza, but the queues are enormous, so we thought we'd make a pizza.
Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is Piazza Talk, our channel about our life in Lucca.
And in the Tuscan Hills.
Please hit the subscribe button. Grazie.
Well, Lucca isn't the Lucca most tourists know for the next 5 days. We may be coming out of the front door and it's nice and quiet, but round the corner is a big surprise. So this normal, quiet, fairly staid provincial town in Lucca with the easy provincial life suddenly turns into a playground of video games.
Buonasera. Buonasera.
Chi sei?
La sciamana.
La sciamana. Chi sei?
Aloy,
Quale serie? Di quale
videogioco, Horizon
videogioco?
Forbidden West.
Noi siamo un videogioco di ruolo che si chiama World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft. Sì, sì. Siamo 3 personaggi del videogioco. Sì.
Ok, e tu incontri gente di tutto
Sì.
il mondo in
Sì.
questa...
Sì.
Bellissimo!
Sì.
Amici di questo gioco?
No, lui è mio fratello e lui è mio fidanzato.
Siamo una famiglia.
Chi sei?
Io sono Nancy. E, no, il costume si chiama Nancy.
Incredibile!
Grazie.
Ma tu hai fatto tutto da solo?
Sì, tutto da solo.
Congratulazioni, fantastico.
Grazie mille.
Però ci basta così.
E Nancy vieni di cos'è? È giapponese?
No, praticamente c'è questo dio africano che secondo tanti racconti è quello che ha creato il sole, il giorno e la notte e ci ha dato la facoltà di fare i racconti ed è descritto come mezzo ragno, mezzo uomo.
Chi siete ragazzi?
Missina da Genshin Impact
Io Goro da Genshin Impact.
e lui è Itto, sempre Genshin Impact.
Why should I not think? Chi sei?
Red Sonia.
Questo è un videogioco?
No, un fumetto.
Un fumetto? Giapponese?
No.
Da dove vieni?
Da Ancona.
Ancona. Gli occhi fanno paura. Grazie.
Però ci stanno bene col rosso.
Sì, è vero,
Verde
sì.
e rosso.
Un bel accoppiamento.
E tu chi sei?
Io ho un personaggio original, un guerriero original da accoppiare a lei. Quindi è stata per fare una coppia un po' sui generis, ma ci piace.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Sono fatti benissimo.
Lo guardo tutti i media americani, andiamo là.
Grazie.
Who are you?
I am Sanji from One Piece.
Which is a video game or
It's,
a...
it's an anime. An anime, a
Japanese,
cartoon,
a
a Japanese cartoon,
Japanese.
okay. And I represent Sanji. which is a sort of a character. A character that just play and kill people with the foot. Okay.
Oh, okay. Well,
And
I
he-
just miss your feet there.
Exactly. Exactly. And he falls in love with women. Okay.
No, I'm
No.
from another.
You're another
She is
guy.
from another cartoon called Naruto, and
Also Japanese?
also Japanese.
Yeah, yeah.
Her character is Hinata, which is who is a girl from this cartoon.
Okay. And why is Lucca special? Do you come? Is this the first time in
It is
Lucca?
our first time today, and Lucca is special just because it's the second around the world, so it's the second place where you can find all the people with cosplay. It's called cosplay, so that when you dress up with your favorite cartoon characters.
No, I'm very confused. Is cosplay only Japanese cartoons or
Cosplay
everything?
is everything.
Everything.
So also movies, video games, Netflix, all the characters that you can imagine. If somebody dress up as the character of that movie,
Yeah.
it's a cosplay, basically.
And like in, was it Santiago? I think it's the biggest one, isn't it?
The biggest one is in Tokyo.
In
It's
Tokyo.
Japan.
Well, then
The second one is in Lucca.
in Lucca.
In Lucca.
Bigger than
The
Santiago.
bigger than, yes,
Oh,
it's the
wow.
second one. Yeah.
Because is it nicer the fact that it's in the city? So
Yeah.
you have, like an amazing backdrop, not just
Yeah,
a
exactly.
tent.
Yeah, you have also the background and all the castles and this sort of
And is it
scenic.
easier to meet people because you're outside rather than all crushed in a
Yeah,
tent?
and you, especially in this place, you can meet a lot of people. Maybe you can meet another character that is
In your photo.
yeah, exactly. And then you take pictures. We are all together.
you're all
We are
together
a
from
group
the-
from the
from-
same company where we work.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's lovely.
We met there, and
Okay.
then we started
So
to.
you're a creative bunch.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. And it's really fun.
Okay, so you're all different cartoons?
We are
Oh, and-
Zorro,
Zorro?
Sanji, and Trafalgar Law. We are from the same cartoon. She is from another cartoon called Fairy Tail,
Okay.
okay, and she represents Yulia.
I'm a water magician.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
she plays with water.
On this cartoon, is it also a video game?
Yes,
just-
you have also a video game where you can play your character.
Yes.
And but our generation, so we are from 1990s.
Yeah.
We just love to watch the
Okay,
the
you still
cartoon.
play.
We don't
Wait, you're
play.
too old.
We are too old. Exactly. That's the problem. We are too old to play. But you can see a lot of people that are older than us that still wear cosplay. Because cosplay, it's not something for children. It's more something for old, grown men, grown.
We have met these people from Rome, and they said, "What do you do in life?" One was a financial analyst.
I'm a mechanical engineer.
You're a mechanical
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Sono due film, ora uscirà il terzo,
Ok.
quindi
Si chiama
Deadpool 1, Deadpool 2 e poi uscirà il 3.
E tu sei cattivo?
No, sono cattivo con i cattivi.
Grazie.
Ci mancherebbe altro.
Questo è il più interessante.
Anche Beatrice.
Beatrice. Bellissimi. Ciao. Grazie. Chi siete?
Viaggiatori del tempo, una serie un po' sconosciuta in realtà.
Viaggiatori nel tempo si chiama?
Sì, del tempo, sì. Voyagers.
Cos'è, una serie televisiva o un videogioco?
Una serie un po' qualche decennio fa, un po' sconosciuta.
La cerco su internet allora. Ciao. Chi sei te? Guarda che sei vivo.
Ci dovrebbe cavare.
Chi sei?
Tiracca degli Star Singer.
Ah, ok.
Well, we've come in from comics and everybody's eating a slice of pizza, but the queues are enormous, so we thought we'd make a pizza, and we put the Neapolitan to the test by trying Jamie Oliver's self-raising flour pizza. Now, this is quite a feat for a Neapolitan to see if it passed musters.
Well, first of all, I have to say that Jamie Oliver was not the first. This pizza has been going on for some time. Secondly, it is a quick pizza. It's not a cheat, it's a pizza. It's something you do quickly, and you use what you got in the fridge, in the cupboard. In our case, we got a couple of sausages, and it will take some time to cook them. Onions, mozzarella, parmesan, oregano, but you can have some leftover tomato sauce or anything that it is good for a pizza. So we should get on and do it. First of all, I'm going to cut the onions. I got onions of different families. I got onions, they're red, white, gold.
Maybe one shouldn't even call it a pizza, but it's very good, whatever.
Call it the way you like it, then it's fine. First of all, I put olive oil at the bottom here. Cover the saucepan, the frying pan, with a film of oil. Okay, you got this, and we put everything there. So onions. Okay, the sausages, I take the skin off, break the meat in the pan. That is all Jamie Oliver, making little polpette, like this.
Thing is, it's very rustic, isn't it? It's just
Yes.
throw it in the pan.
Yes, absolutely. I'm going to add a few chili flakes, that's good. Okay.
So, Sister Paola, Neapolitan pizza lover, biggest pizza lover of the family.
Yeah.
We want your opinion of this.
But you can use any topping to this. We use sauce, you can use courgettes, artichokes, tomato sauce, anything. You can make a fully vegetarian pizza if you like, or anything that you enjoy. Okay, I'm going to put a pinch of salt. Okay, the sauce is already a bit salty there, so it won't be. And now we make the dough. So we have a cup and a half of flour. Probably it's too much, but it's the only way that I can measure.
And this isn't an American cup, this is any old cup.
Yeah, it's a mug or some. Okay. So we need now half a cup of water. and I'm adding a pinch of salt and some oil, always helps. Okay, and then I'm going to use my hands. This looks quite good. And now the sausages and the onions are ready. Okay, so I can turn it off and put the sausages in a bowl. Okay, now we've got a hot pan, so I'm going to add the dough. So put it here, make it flat first, like this, and then flatten it in the pan.
You can, of course, initially buy pizza dough ready-made. I imagine not many Italians would even think about this, but you know, let's see if it works. Let's see if it passes the Neapolitan test.
Okay, now I make some holes with my fingers so I can trap the juice, the sausages, the sauce. Okay, and next stage we are going to put the onions, and now spread it here. We don't want to overload the pizza, so I just spread it evenly. And I'm now adding more things, more toppings. Mozzarella, we have some mozzarella in the fridge, so we can add some mozzarella. Again, not too much, because otherwise the pizza doesn't cook properly if it's too much overloaded by things. I think that is enough. And always a bit of Parmigiano.
But this is really fantasy time. Whatever you have in the cupboard.
Yeah. And calculate a bit of oregano. Yeah. Okay, now we cook it here at the bottom, and then we go finish it off in the grill. Okay, so now it's getting dark underneath, so another minute and we can put in the grill. Now in the grill, top heat for 2-3 minutes. Okay, it's ready. Turn it off. Put it on a plate. Now it's time to serve it. You have to taste it, Celia.
Well, I think the Neapolitan should.
Okay,
Have the
both of
first
us,
taste.
the two of us.
And see what you consider it. A pizza? Not a pizza? Nice, but not a pizza?
Better than I thought.
Is it a pizza?
Well, belongs to the family of pizzas. Then we got some sub-families, so this is a sub-family.
Very diplomatic.
It's good, it's tasty, and
It's got to be better than a frozen pizza. You know what's on that?
Absolutely, I mean,
You can put what you like.
no, frozen pizza, we never buy them. Sorry. What do you think?
It's nice. It's not exactly a pizza, but as you say, it's sort of the family of pizza, and it's nice. But I mean, sausage, onions, and mozzarella, you can't really go wrong on dough.
No, the top is fantastic. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
And this is the remains of the day.
If you enjoy our videos, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps us enormously with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much.